In this video, I'll explain the partitive article. So the partitive article is the grammatical term for the word meaning some. We've learned different articles before. We've learned about definite articles, so they're words for the. We've learned about indefinite articles, and they're words for a or an. So just like the definite article, there are 7 different ways that we can say some in Italian. And again, like the definite article, it depends on the gender and number of the noun. So if we have a look at the example, mi serve del basilico, del is the word meaning some. We're using the word del because we're combining di plus the definite article il, which is giving us del, okay, meaning some. Now, if you're unsure of your definite articles, this would be a good time to go and revise those. But in this case, we've got il as our definite article because basilico is a masculine noun, and most masculine nouns have il as their article. All right, let's look at how this looks with the other words for some. So here we go. Here are all the different words for some. So you can see that if we have di plus il, it's del. So just like we saw before, del basilico. But there are 2 other possibilities with masculine nouns. And again, this depends on its definite article. So if we take the word zucchero, it starts with a Z and it's masculine. So the definite article would be lo. If we want to say some though, we say dello. So adding that di plus lo. If we take the word garlic, aglio, it starts with a vowel. If we want to say some garlic, we therefore have to say del aglio, because our definite article would have been L apostrophe. In the feminine form, there are 2 possibilities. Most of the time, most feminine nouns use la as a definite article. So for example, if we take the word pasta, okay, la pasta is the pasta, della pasta, it's some pasta. All right, let's take the word aranciata, so the orange fizzy drink. Okay, this is feminine and it starts with a vowel, so its definite article would be L apostrophe. But if we want to say some, it'll be del. All right, let's look at the plural forms. So the plural form, if our definite article is I, so this is most masculine nouns, is going to be they. So if we take the word fagioli, meaning beans, our word for some will be dei fagioli. Now, at the moment, it looks like this only applies to food, and look, often it does, but there's other words as well that this applies to. So let's take a different example. Let's take the word backpack. So we know the word for backpack is zaino, okay, but in the plural, it is zaini. So definite article would be li, meaning the. But if we want to say some, we will say degli zaini, some backpacks. And any of the nouns using li as a definite article will use degli to mean some. All right, in the feminine, we have a feminine plural. It's always going to be delle. Okay, so that doesn't matter whether it's been in the singular del apostrophe or not. So feminine plural will always be delle in the partitive. So if we have, for example, the word strawberries. So we have fragole. Okay, so some strawberries will be delle fragole. All right, I hope that's been useful. Ciao for now.